my god. Well, hi guys. I just ran back from the bus. I just got back from school. And today we're gonna review Golden Dragon Master set 70644. You know, Golden Dragon Master again. Has 92 pieces and I got this for like $13. So I'm gonna open this set really quick. So yeah. Alright, looks like I got it open. Alright, so let's just... Oh, it's so hard to do this with one hand. Alright, let's open this up. Looks like we got bag... This is the only bag here. You know, we got another bag here. The thing here. Yeah, you can see the thing that's the mask. Here's the top part. Don't see the head. Alright, is there anything else? Of course, the manual on how to build this thing. Oh yes, of course. The wings! It's not gonna fly without the wings. And, oh! Yeah, this thing. And, yeah, that's it. Alright, I guess I'll see you guys when I finish building it. Oh, and another weird thing I just figured out. This thing is like, it's like this, apparently. It's a little weird, but yeah. I guess I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, here's the minifigure built, so I'm gonna review this really quick before, you know, actually build this. So there's like a good printing there. Shines like that. Same thing with this, I like the leg printing. So yeah, and the facial. And yeah, there's two masks there. The facial expressions, or the face print. Yep. And it's happy. This one's more mad. Yeah, that's just... And this is, Teenage Wu, I believe. And yeah, so... That's the minifigure. Now I gotta go to the build. I gotta start building, so see you guys in a bit. Oh, done. With this thing. This was a pain to make, especially putting this flyer on. I recommend you get it, but... At the same time, I don't know. So yeah, I'm done with this. I would test fly, but I can't really put... I don't know where to put this. Hold on. I'm gonna try this. Oh god. Oh god. Ah, there we go. Let's see if this works. Oh my. It works. I'm sorry if I couldn't give you a better demonstration, but what it's supposed to do is supposed to fly really high. And I don't have my brother do the cameraman, because he's still at school, but yeah. Yeah, I think you should get it. I'm probably gonna get the rest if... I probably might get the rest, like Kai, Jay, Cole, Zane. I might get the rest. But, yeah. So, just... I'll review those all in one video if I ever get those, alright? See you guys next time.